Welcome back to Unwinding Roads. My name is Teddy, and behind me right here is my brand new 2022 Jeep Gladiator Ecodiesel. And today we're going to be installing a VHF radio because what we do and where we go, communication is extremely important. So if you have a Jeep Wrangler JL or if you have a Jeep Gladiator JT, I'm going to show you a really good way to mount your radio if it's something that you plan on adding to your rig. This setup starts with an antenna mounted to the hood, running the wire down the wheel well and back up through the rubber plug under the driver's side footwell. The power cable runs from the battery along with the Kraken power wire to the passenger side footwell. And so I found this to be an extremely clean way to get that radio mounted. So the radio is mounted underneath the seat. You do have to cut the carpet, but I just used double-sided 3M bumper tape to mount the plate to the frame. Cut the carpet so that the two pieces stick up, and then I've got the radio hooked up to that. All right, so I got the roof off. I've knocked off this panel here. I'm gonna run the wire all the way down through here. We're taking off this handle right now is what we're doing. Down in behind, and then to the back of my seat, where I'm going to be mounting the head unit. Removing the panels makes it easy to run the cable to the head unit. This will keep the wire hidden and out of the way. There's a few different options for the overhead rack. This is a BF Campers rack. Once it's installed, it's above my head. I don't really notice it. I have a little bit of lights in my far peripherals, but these lights do dim. This is the dimmest setting right now. So if it's too bright, you just turn it down, which is what I did. I turned it down to the dimmest. But as you can see, I have nothing in front of me. It's nice and open. I do have to get a monitor to monitor my engine temps. This is the Ecodiesel, and I do plan to tow with it, so I need this space for my monitor to keep an eye on those temps while I'm towing. And one of the many awesome features about this particular unit is it has a high quality front-facing speaker. So no matter what radio chatter comes in, I'm able to hear it very clearly most of the time.
What is he doing? What are you doing? I need you to take the garbage out.
What are you doing? I need you to take the garbage out.
I can't hear you.
Theo, can you watch her?
What are you doing? I need you to take the garbage out.
And even if I can't hear it, with a push of a button, it'll repeat the last message. And not just the last message. I can go back and it records 500 hours of audio. As a YouTuber, this also helps me because I can download those files and use them in the video. Now, this is not a permanent done deal yet. I don't like the way I mounted the hand unit. I do like where it is. I just don't like this. This tends to bounce around a lot once we hit the FSR. So I don't like that. I'm probably going to run it this way with a retractable cord or something. I'm not quite sure. I'll have to see a couple more setups for that. In today's vehicles, we don't have a lot of space, so it's a small enough unit that you can mount pretty much anywhere. It does have the internal speaker, so even being as small as it is, I can clearly hear what anybody is saying.
We did 3 projects today. We read a story and then...
Sorry for being a little bit late.
Yeah. We did 1 project. Actually, no, it was 2 projects in a day. All the things. Then we had to draw. Wait, are we?
Yeah.
Can you cut this out?
Maybe.
Hello, it's Unwinding Roads. Can anybody hear me? It's Unwinding Roads. Can anybody hear me?
Oh. Is this Theo?
Yes, this is Theo.
Have you been a good boy this year?
Yes.
That's good. You have a new baby sister named Annabelle, and she can't really talk yet.
Yes, I have a sister, and yeah, she can't talk yet.
Oh, do you know what she wants for Christmas?
No idea.
You're gonna have to ask her later. How about your schoolwork? Have you been good with your schoolwork?
Yeah, we're just driving home, and I'm gonna do my math right away.
Oh, that's a good boy. Well, I'm gonna have to go get more gifts ready for the kids, so you make sure you stay good.
Okay. Okay.
Oh.
I'm not sure. What the heck?
Customized voice enunciation on channels, which is super cool because Dirty and Dangerous Crew, we have like our own channel now. And it tells us that with its voice.
Dirty and Dangerous Crew.
It's got a 4,000 channel capacity, which allows for the full list of frequencies that you need here in British Columbia, where I'm from. And one of the coolest things, my personal favorite really, is a customizable power on display. It's the coolest thing. When I get in my truck, turn the thing on, and I see my logo and it says Unwinding Roads on the screen. And so guys, this is gonna do it for this one. I'd like to thank Kenwood for sending me the radio. If you're looking for this specific model, it is the Kenwood NX 5700.
Until next time, go away, get lost, and unwind.